Welcome to this video on Python variables and data type. In this video you will learn what, why and how of variable, what, why and how of data type, and examples and details of each data type. So let us look at the student details. Student name, age, percent and city is given, and we can see in this particular diagram that student information is given to computer, it stores in memory, it processes their information and stores in memory, and whenever required their information is retrieved and displayed on the screen. Now while using this student data in our program, they are stored in memory at specific memory location, but we cannot directly use memory address to store, process and retrieve this data. So the computer memory looks like this. It is a collection of memory locations, and every memory location have some address, like starting from 0 to maximum. So here 21 is stored at address 4, but we cannot access this 21 directly. So some way is required to store and retrieve this information in a computer memory. So symbolic names are used to store the actual data of students or any data. Here is a symbolic name age, whose value is 21. So using this symbolic name age, we can store and retrieve the data. Just look at this image. A gift box is given, right? Within gift box there is a watch. Label of this box is gift box and content is a watch. Same way this rectangular box label is age and its content is 21. So one can imagine a variable as a label box that contains some value, or we can think of a variable as a container for some piece of information. This variable is a representative name for specific storage location in memory, and we can pair it with some quantity of information referred to as a value. Over here we can see that this age is a label and 21 is a value contained within the symbolic name age, and here we can see that 21 is stored in memory, right? So here this variable name 21 is representative name for specific memory location, that is a memory location at address 4, and 21 is stored at this particular memory location. So this is what the meaning of the variable is representative name for specific storage location like this one, and it pairs with the quantity, that is a 21. This is a formal definition of a variable. So variables are the symbolic names used to store, retrieve and process data and information required to be used in a program. Why to have a variable? Variables are used to store, retrieve and process data and information. So that is the answer to the why of a variable. Now next is how to create a variable. So it is very simple. Just to create a variable, just assign a value to a variable. Here 21 is assigned to variable, and syntax for creating a variable is variable name is equal to variable value. So here variable name is age and variable value is 21. So this is how we can create a variable. Now variable naming depends on the programmer. It is the programmer's choice, and it is up to the programmer that what variable names should be given to different values. We can have same value for different named variables, but it is important to give meaningful names to each of them so that we can understand what each of the variables stands for. Now for example, over here on right hand side, 21 is stored in 4 different variables: number, age, x and count. So all names are different, variable names are different, but all are having the value 21. So it will be a better decision to name the variable shown in figure, in this particular figure, as age if we are storing age of a person in that particular variable. But if we are storing count of some object, count of a person or a count of some other data value, right, then the variable name count is more suitable. Now let us look at the variable naming rules. So variable name contains letters A to Z, digits 0 to 9 and underscore, and variable name cannot start with a number. For example, here some of the examples are given: name, subject underscore marks, percentage underscore age underscore login underscore status, team underscore 18. So these are the valid variable names, because this contains letters, underscores and the digits, but we have seen that these variables are not starting with digits any. So this variable, say for example here in second row 18 underscore team or 18 team, these are invalid variable name because it starts with digit. So variable name never starts with a digit. Third thing is variable name cannot contain spaces. We want to have a two words in a variable name, then we can separate that word using underscore instead of space, as we have seen over here that subject underscore mark or login underscore status. So instead of using this way subject space marks, we can use subject underscore marks or login underscore status team underscore 18. So this way we can separate out two different words, right? But space is not permitted in a variable. Next point is it is considered better practice that names are lowercase with underscore. So over here we can see that this all are in row 4, name, subject underscore mark, team underscore 18 are valid variable names, but it is different than this subject marks and subject underscore mark. Here capital letter S and capital letter M is there. Here name is in small letter, here name is in capital letter. So this all name and name, subject underscore marks, and this capital letter subject underscore capital letter marks, right? These are different variables because Python is a case sensitive programming language, means this subject underscore marks and this subject underscore marks are different variables. So in Python we should prefer to use variable names in small letters, all small letters. We should not include variable names which starts with capital letter or all letters in capital. These are valid, but it is not preferable. Next, name cannot contain any of these special characters like this. For example, over here we have a subject dash marks, my underscore percentage, then percent sign. So these are invalid variable. These are not, because dash and percent sign are special characters and these are not permitted in a variable name. So we should avoid all these different special characters while naming. Variable name can contain only these three things, that is letters A to Z. It can contain capital letter A to Z also, and digits 0 to 9 and underscore. Other characters are not permitted. Also we can start our variable with underscore like this, age underscore login underscore status, or we can have a double underscore also. And we should avoid using built-in keywords like list, sum, string, because they have a predefined meaning in Python language, and hence we should not use this kind of built-in keywords. Also we should avoid using single characters, lowercase letter L, uppercase letter O and uppercase letter I, as they can be confused with the digits 1 and digit 0. So these are the rules for naming the variables. Now let us summarize the variables. So variables are symbolic names used to store, retrieve and process information. It contains letters A to Z, digits 0 to 9 and underscore. And variable name don't start with digits, can start with either letter or underscore. Don't include special characters in variables. Don't use Python built-in keywords as variable names. Thank you very much. Have a great time.